Hello friends, welcome to our channel It Nature Side. Today we present you the most beautiful Birthi waterfall situated near Monsiari, Uttarakhand, India. Falling from a massive height of 126 meters, it is an all-weather waterfall. This waterfall is surrounded by thick forest, adding its own charm. The water of this fall comes from the glacier Ralam and Milam. People have to trek about 15 to 20 minutes to reach the fall. This waterfall is surrounded by the lush environment of greenery and surrounded by Kumaon Himalayan snow-capped peaks, making it the most beautiful and famous place between natural lovers and trekkers. And it is a very famous tourist place. Thanks for watching our video. Like the video and share it, and please subscribe our channel It Nature Side. Thank you.